Okay, welcome to a quick tutorial. I have these, if you've got these Walker razors with the audio on it, I've had these for a little while, and these pads, as you can see, have been kind of pushed down, and they are foam. Although they've been pretty good, I'm actually going to be replacing those today. I ordered these gel ear packs, the replacements. I'll link them up in the description down below if you're interested. Got to pick them off of Amazon. But these will just pop into these. I'll just replace these out, and hopefully these actually are going to be a little bit more comfortable as well. First things first, let's get these opened up. They're labeled left and then a right, so that way you know which is which. Obviously this has some angle to it here, and it's rounded on the top, so you pretty much know how to put it in there. Okay, now with the left and the right, you're going to know this is the left side. When you're wearing this, this is going to be on this back side. Okay, this is where it's going to pick up the sound. It's going to have noise cancellation, obviously, for loud sounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, if I hold this and twist this like this, then that gets the other earmuff out of the way. So now I want to show you, I'll get this little flashlight here. Now you can see right behind there, that little tiny groove right behind that, that's where we're actually going to pop it out. I'm going to put a screwdriver back in there. I'm going to pop that. Oh, there you go. There's a better angle. Right there. Okay. Now, get the screwdriver back in here. Now I popped it off. Just pops off just like that. Okay. And you can see that that has that groove to it. Okay. Now this is the left side because that's where that the on-off switch is. Now, I have seen some other videos where you could actually, this is in here, put it in here, and then pry up on it this way. But the problem with that is this is where all your mechanics are, and you don't want to crack that or mess that up. So you want to be really careful with that. Okay, so this is the left side. I'm going to take this left side. Now I'm actually just going to fit it in here. And you're going to work it around. Slowly work all the way around the edges, and you'll feel it snap in place. Takes just a little bit of an adjustment too. And you'll hear it snap. Get in place, make sure everything's nice and tight there so you don't get no dust or debris inside of that gel pad. So now I have a new pad there. You can see right away the difference between the two. The new one, then the old one. Okay, there's really nothing wrong with these. I mean, if you wanted to hold those as backups just in case it did get tore or whatnot, you could definitely do that. So anyway, I'm gonna do the other side. Again, get that out of the way. There we go. That there, another one. Earpiece is in good shape. Take this, again, that's the good edge there. So you can see kind of what it looks like with the little groove right here. That's what's actually snapping in place. Just like so. Now I have two nice new gel packs for my headset. So that way we go to the range days, start getting things sighting in, ready for the hunts that are upcoming. I'll be good to go. Again, I'll link the description down below. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, and want to hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate that as well. Thanks for watching.